Tonight we're using 20-year-old Zoom flukes that have sat in my tackle box for over 20 years now, with some Strike King Redfish Magic jig heads. Fish seem to really like them. Yeah, I gotta say, the Walmart rod, it's getting it done so far. This thing's 32 bucks. We may have to go back and get you the other one. They had 2 of them. Oh, got a snook. Oh, he came right up to me. Oh, he broke it. No, he actually just popped off. That's good. I'm glad he didn't take it with him. Whew. I'd much rather lose a fish and keep my lure than lose my lure in a fish's face. So I'll take it. Sweet little trout. All right, dude. There you go. There we go. Ooh. That's a snook. So there are snook out again tonight. Nice. Sweet little snook. Check him out, Dad. Yep, pretty nice. Yep, all right, dude. Did you get back to it? There you go. Oh! Oh, it's another snook. Oh, shoot. Dang. They went like between my legs, almost tripped me. Oh my gosh, it's not a snook. I thought that was a snook. It's a big trout. Wow. I might need a picture with this one. There we go. Oh, oh, what a monster.
I think I got a couple.
That was crazy. I knew he was gonna do that. Oh, you got one? Coming over. Yeah, bring him up. Bring him up higher. There you go. Ooh, he's even bigger than your last one. Nice. Oh, heck yeah. Got him. This is actually a pretty good fish. Oh, he brought a buddy. He had a little buddy chasing him. All right. Sweet. Sweet little trout. Good size. All right, buddy. There you go. Oh, yeah. There we go. Ooh, he's water skiing, but he's big. Look at that thing. What the heck? Look at that. Dang. Woo, there he goes. All right. Yeah. Oh. Oh, nice. The old knee slapper right there. There we go. I felt him. I thought I had something. Then he came back for it. Snook. Oh, look, he came off. Yeah, look. Look at that. Actually, I mean, maybe that was a trout. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But I turned the hook another way just to get a different angle, And clearly that was the wrong move because it let him pop right off. So that was on me. Dad, come over here. Definitely come over here. Oh, he popped off right there at the net. What the heck? It's a tree. I'll be right back. There we go. All right, I guess the west side's just better. It's that obvious. Man, it's producing some big fish tonight. What a beauty. What a beauty. All right, dude, let's put you back. There you go. There we go. He's like barely hooked. I got kind of a weak hook set on him. Oh no, get over here. All right, there we go. Sweet. Beautiful colors on them. Right as the sun goes down. All right, dude, let's go back. There you go. Big mullet just, oh! I hadn't even reeled. I just cast it out. I was letting it sink. I don't know. It's swimming straight at me though. So watch out, watch yourself. It's a catfish. Oh no, it's a mullet that's hooked. No, what is this? Oh no, it's a trout. But he got foul hooked. It like missed him. Like he bit it and it just missed him. I'll get him though. What the heck? Man, that thing is fat though. That was funny. I threw it out there. I was just trying to let it sink because it's deeper, you know? I was letting it sink and then bam, he just took off. All right. Oh, slippery. But nice little trout. All right, dude. Send you back. There you go. There's that manatee crap floating by again. Get out of here. Manatee just swam by and took a dump right as it passed us, so that's what's floating over there. Got him. This is a catfish. Not what I want to catch, but whatever. Sorry, dude. Don't want to catch you, dude. All right, hang on. Just let me know if a shark comes up to me. Siri, what time is it?
It's 8:14 p.m.
Oh, lost. That was a really, really good one. That was a really good fish. I didn't set the hook quite hard enough. Oh, hang on. Got your back, sucker. I got you, sucker. Ha. Gotcha. Try to get away from me again. Not gonna happen. What a beauty. What a beauty. All right, let's get you back. There you go. Dang. I had one on and I lost him. Oh yeah. Oh, that's big. Nah. Oh, it's a red. Redfish. Nice. All right. There you go. Nice. I got all that for sure. Oh yeah. Oh, Dad, it's a really good fish. Oh, it came off. It was a really good fish. I don't know what, but that was a really good fish. I'd have to guess it was the same thing you just caught. Well, that sucks. I definitely lost. That was a really good fish. I don't know how I failed on that one, but I did. There we go. Probably. Oh, it's a lady. Gotcha. Gotcha. Little lady. All right, we'll see you, dude. There we go. Yeah, little lady right here at the end. Oh, there you go. But there's a giant needlefish and he's getting ready to attack right now. Let me just get him real quick. Let me defend. Hang on. Get out of here. He didn't really react. I mean, he leapt, but I don't know if he got the message.
It's 8:43 p.m.
Nice. All right, so yeah,
Of course.
Shut up, Siri. They're at like nip height right now. They'll skewer our nips for sure. Hey, look, he's coming over. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, he went below the belt. He's going below the belt. He's submarined. He went under. Oh, here comes an attack right here. Get out of here, dude. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Go. Stinky little things. I don't know why they smell so bad. Maybe that's why they're in such a bad mood all the time. Whoa, 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 he's gonna nail. Oh. I told you. I had to cover up my privates and he hit me right in the hand.